Five type of people you need in your life. Number one, the coach. This is someone who gets you out of your comfort zone and encourage you to try new things. Number two, challengers. This is someone who is not afraid to ask tough questions and tell the truth without hesitation. Number three, the motivator. This is someone who is ahead of you in the journey, but always their success shows you what's possible with the hard work and motivating you to achieve great things. Number four, the safe space. This is a person with whom you can always be yourself, knowing they will listen without judgment and provide unwavering support. Number five, the cheerleaders. They are your unwavering source of positivity and support. Your biggest fan who is always there to boost your spirit when you need it most. Thank you. Follow me for the more.